Hello students, welcome to your new learning, to your new class. In this video, we are going to cover one very important writing skills that's called advertisement. Part 1, classified advertisement. What is a classified advertisement? What are the important features? How to write it? Everything is going to be covered over here. What is an advertisement? An advertisement is a piece of information for a newspaper on television, a picture on the wall, the hoardings, etc. They basically work for a particular purpose, sometime for advertisement, sometime for jobs, some for missing people, etc. If we talk about the types, they are basically divided into two types, classified advertisements and commercial advertisements. What is a classified advertisement? A classified advertisement or classified advertisements are written for newspapers and magazines. They are reflected for a particular reason. They have a purpose of writing in the newspapers and magazines. If we talk about the table that is talking about types and their purposes, you can see the types are situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, to let, accommodation wanted, matrimonial, missing. Just in the opposite column, I have mentioned you people that what are the places or what are the purposes that work or that deals with these situations. Like situation vacant work for the company that want an applicant or want someone for working the job. Situation wanted, the job seeker used to write, for sale for selling something, to let for taking the tenants and all that. Yes, students, if we talk about the features of classified advertisements, they are very clearly reflected over here. No use of any design, no use of blocks, simple, formal and to the point language, use of phrases, use of punctuation marks till the end. Important points to be kept in mind. Clearly state the category at the top of the advertisement. As it is said over here, situation wanted, situation vacant, to let, etc. Must be attractive but formal. Write in phrases, be to the point, give personal details clearly and all that. Yes, if we talk about two different categories, situation vacant works for by the company or by the organization when they want someone to come and join their company. Whereas, if we talk about the second style that is called situation wanted, in that case the job seeker or the applicant want the company to take them or hire them for a particular post. So both the charts I have shown you people very clearly that what are the important features or the important necessary features to be placed in the answers. Yes, solved sample question. Students, I have given you in this question situation vacant. The school wants you or wants a receptionist for the school and you have to draft an advertisement for the same. In the answer, I have clarified everything so well as my situation vacant is mentioned at the top, except that I have placed it in a box and then I have followed all the necessary details which is asked or which is kept in points to remember, as it is written in phrases with all the necessary details in a clear manner. Second question is talking about situation wanted. You are Vikram or Sonia, honors graduate in history with a specialization in medieval India. You were acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur, and you are looking for the job of a tourist guide. So the answer for situation wanted is very clearly mentioned over here, as you have mentioned your details, you have mentioned your age, you have mentioned your qualities, your qualifications, except that your expectations for your salary, except for you have given your name, your contact number, your mail ID, everything. Yes, student, this time I have given you people two sample questions, one for situation wanted, second is for situation vacant. Both the situations are very clearly mentioned over here. Hope you all are going to do wonderful in your registers. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. Goodbye.